In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add relations in Glide. Relations let you connect records across your tables in the data editor, so you can link things like a customer to their orders, a product to its category, or a teacher to their classes. By the end, you'll have a solid relation setup that your app can use to display connected data. One quick note before we begin. Relations work best when the values you match are consistent and unique, like exact text matches or IDs. First, go to Glide. Open your browser and head to the Glide website just like you normally would. When you're there, sign into your account so you can access your projects. Use the same credentials you typically use for Glide. Once you're signed in, open the project you want to edit. Make sure you're in the correct app or page, especially if you manage multiple projects, so the relation you create lands in the right place. Next, go to your data and add a new column. This happens in the data editor, which is where all your tables live. Choose the table where the relation should start. This is your source table. Click to add a new column. Give this column a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Good names hint at the connection, like customer relation or product category relation. Consistent naming helps you and your teammates quickly understand what the column does. Now, select relation as the column type. This tells Glide that this column won't store plain text or numbers. Instead, it will point to one or more matching rows in another table. When you choose relation, the configuration panel will appear so you can define how the connection should work. In the configuration, choose the option you want to relate and match the corresponding data. Start by picking the column in your current table that holds the key you want to match. Then select the target table and the target column that contains the matching values. Make sure the values line up exactly. Spelling, capitalization, and spacing matter. If you expect more than one match, allow a multiple match relation. If you expect only one, keep it as a single match. Using unique identifiers is a great way to avoid mismatches. Finally, click Save. You'll see your new relation column populate with links to matching rows. You can click a cell to preview the connected record and confirm everything looks right. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.